Hey, this is a short video about how to add a WMS layer displaying the UTM zones. Now I have here open QGIS with a map of Norway, the municipalities of Norway, and typically when we are displaying national data for all of Norway, these are displayed using UTM 33. We can check this by going to the properties of the layer, and in the information tag and a coordinate reference system we see that this is indeed UTM zone 33 based on EUREF 89. So this is just as expected. To see what other UTM zones that might be more fitted, it could be good to add a layer of UTM zones. And you can add any kind of layer from the add layer entry here, and this is an opportunity here to add a WMS layer. So we choose this one, and here I have some already here, but I will add a new one. So I click on new. I call them UTM zones, and then I need a URL. There might be many sources for where you can find UTM zones. One of them is Norway, the Norwegian national spatial data infrastructure. So if I here search on UTM, I will get a service here showing UTM grid as a WMS. So here I can choose this one by copy the URL, clicking here, and it is been copied. Go back to QGIS and paste this one here. I click OK. Now then click on connect, and then from the drop-down list I get here, I'll interested in the UTM zone. So I'll check this one and I click add, and I can close the dialog. Now so this is displaying then the UTM zones of Norway. South of Norway, most is within the 32nd UTM zone, but then Norway has a quite west-east division, so we have 33, 34 and 35, and although Vardø up here, the municipality is entirely within 36 UTM zone, it's normally provided with UTM zone 35. But nevertheless, this means that there are many different UTM zones available for Norway. So my advice is that if you are working in UTM zone 35 and you have national data that is in 33 which you want to combine with those from 35, you should then reproject the layers which is in UTM zone 33 so they fit those in 35.